everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of different because instead of taking on something, I'm cutting down. I'm cutting my hair today. Whoop whoop. I don't know, I love my hair. I used to love my hair so much. I used to have really nice hair, like you can see in the picture. My hair was really nice, silky, a very beautiful texture and long. But for some reason, since I moved to Thailand, it's not been the same again. See, it looks dry and brittle and all. So I decided to cut it. I've been transitioning for a year now. I lastly permed my hair in December last year, so I decided to just have a lot of new growths, and then I'm going to take off all this permed part. So that's what has been happening, and you will not believe it, but my hair is like 12 years old, 12 or 13 years old, I think, because I lastly shaved my hair in 2008 when I left secondary school, when I left high school rather. Since then I have not, and I have not cut my hair, but you see this, it's just not working anymore. See, each time I comb, this is what I get. Each time I comb, it just breaks. It just keeps breaking and breaking. I don't know what I did wrong from what I used to do before. I used to have really nice hair, as I said. You see the pictures there. It was so nice and silky and long, like this long, but see, it can hardly hold a ponytail now. And I have not cut it. It just breaks on its own. You see that the edges are so light and all. So that is what I want to do. I want to just cut off all of this part, and then I'm going to try to see how I can manage the hair better, and I'm going to try so many tricks I have seen on the internet. I'm going to just keep trying and see what works for me, and then I'm going to share with you. So thank you for coming. If this is your first time here, thank you. If you're a returning subscriber, of course, a million kisses, and please do keep coming back and back and back. Please do like the video, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to get straight into what I want to do. First, because I cannot hold it, I think if I hold it in a ponytail, I'm not going to get a perfect cut. So I'm just going to maybe break the hair into 4 parts. I'm trying to be a barber here. Oh my goodness. And one more thing, I'm really scared of having natural, like virgin hair on permed hair, because it's kind of painful. When I remember when we just left secondary school, my best friend and I had a dream of keeping our hair natural and virgin without relaxing or perming the hair. Oh my goodness, I think after the first 2 times of doing my hair, I just went and permed it. Pain was too much for me. Maybe because by then we didn't know of so many products that could make it easier to manage, but now there are so many, so I think that will be better for me. So I'm just going to divide my hair into 4 parts. Okay, I have the first part. So this first part I'm going to comb well. Combing, I'm going to hold it with a scrunchie. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same for the part of the back. I want actually having mixed feelings right now. Like, I used to really love my hair so much so that I used to say if anybody tries cutting my hair, like it's going to be so much trouble. But now the hair is disappointing me, and I'm the one cutting it myself. So I'm kind of having mixed feelings about it. I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm excited at the same time. I'm sad. I'm excited for the new look I'm going to have, and I'm sad that my hair is going down. Oh, it's painful. Hope I'm going to do a good job of cutting his hair. Okay, I have 4 pigtails, ponytails, whatever. And scissors. Oh my goodness, it's happening. I'm cutting my hair. Okay, so I think that my front hair is here. So I am going to I did it. I cut it. I cut my hair. Okay, on to the next. I think just by touching it, I feel where the pent part ends because it's really light. I did it again. And then and the last one. Oh my goodness. So I think there is still, I need to cut the top part a little bit more. Okay, at this point in time, I have short hair. My hair is short. Okay, you see here, there are still some pant parts still very visible. So I think I cannot do this on my own anymore, else I'm not going to have a regular length. So I'm going to ask for help, and then I'm going to come back to show you the final look. Okay guys, so after some trimmings, we are here now. So I want to see how this looks like. That I still have some, see this part. Oh, I officially have low hurt. And as you can see, I don't have really black hair as such. I think my hair is like a color 4 something. I'm not going to use my little hair clipper because I think that my hair is way past, because if I want to use this I might just shake everything. And the journey begins. The journey of what? Nappy, kinky hair, afro hair. Oh my goodness, I'm going to do something here. Okay. Oh, I just need to make sure it is well trimmed down, everything. I have low hair. Oh, by the way, do not mind my makeup. I'm not cutting my hair, putting on makeup. I just came back from somewhere I went to. I still have my makeup on, that's why. Okay. Let me put a little hairband and see how it's going to look like. I literally feel like I'm in secondary school or just left high school right now. It's been that long since I had my hair set. And there I go. Short hair. Thanks guys for watching. I do appreciate, and I'm going to appreciate your input on how best I could take care of the hair. You could just leave me the suggestions in the comment section below, how best to take care of the hair so that it doesn't get so dry and brittle and it doesn't break. How best to take care of natural hair. It's been years, as I said, since I had it, so I'm not sure how to. I've been watching videos, so I'm going to try some of the tricks I've been seeing and see what works for me, and then I'm going to share that with you. Thanks again once more for coming, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.